What's up, GymProLife family? It's your boy Dean Shah back with another deep dive into building absolute undeniable strength. Today we're talking about the king of all lifts, the one movement that defines raw power more than any other, the deadlift. But we're not just talking about your standard floor pull. We're going beyond the basics. We're going to explore the variations, the tweaks, the secret weapons that the pros use to build monstrous strength, pack on slabs of dense muscle, and forge a physique that commands respect. This isn't just about lifting heavy, it's about lifting smart and unlocking your true potential. You think you know the deadlift? Think again. The journey to next level power isn't a straight line, it's a multifaceted attack on your weaknesses. It's about understanding that a single exercise can be molded and adapted to target specific muscle groups